Bullish Dash cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $215.47 and $469.25 by 2030. Market investigators accept Dash could reach $215.47 by 2025. Bearish Dash market cost expectation for 2022 is $38.31. Dash introduction. Many crypto tokens couldn't measure up to the fame of Bitcoin and Ethereum networks, yet at the same time figure out how to keep serious areas of strength for in a gigantic specialized structure that draws in financial backers and a stage for application improvement. One of those organizations is the Dash Convention, which was planned as an open-source token forked from the Bitcoin blockchain that highlights modest and quick exchanges, broadened application subtleties for engineers, and a true monetary design. In any case, after the rut in costs of the token, does it actually have extraordinary future potential? Will it recover its unequaled high? And what are the rules that start the making of the token? We'd talk about the fundamental elements of the Dash organization, the prevailing variables pushing the ascent of the coin, and specialists' viewpoints on the eventual fate of the coin. What is Dash? Dash is an open-source digital currency project that was sent off as a Litecoin's fork and was established by programming designers Kyle Hagen and Evan Duffield in 2014 under the name Darkcoin or Xcoin prior to rebranding to Dash. It was at first made to focus on the requirement for secrecy and online protection, however, changed its essential concentration to online installments and business after its rebranding. The rebrand came as an answer for the issues in regards to modest, quick, and borderless exchanges and has served flawlessly from that point forward. Dash is generally contrasted with Bitcoin due to the likeness between the two organizations. However, Dash handles on-chain exchanges uniquely in contrast to Bitcoin. Bitcoin and its forks have a greater client base, which caused blockage on the organization more often than not, high exchange expenses, and, surprisingly, a sluggish pace of information handling. Comprehensively, Bitcoin upheld a profoundly straightforward arrangement of exchanges that shows the historical backdrop of a client's on-chain exercises utilizing their organization. Yet Dash was planned as a private blockchain that uses various levels of organization design. This private element is, be that as it may, viewed as not helpful for general installment due to the absence of responsibility and following. Dash key investigation. Dash organization was sent off as a superior option in contrast to Bitcoin by Kyle Hagen and has since kept up with speed towards acquiring worldwide reception. It was named after computerized money to focus on its impact in the web-based business local area. Different food and refreshment organizations, retail, shopping firms, business administration, travel, digital money area, and so on have cooperated with the Dash organization to build their installment choices. These organizations incorporate Bitrefill, Bitfy, Cloudbit, CoinPay, CBD Chewy Candies, ShopnBit, NordVPN, Versatile TopUp, XCellTrip, SugarTrends, Viking VPN, La Mason Navar, Parlor of Satoshi, Crypto Refills, thus numerous others. This further underscores the possibilities of this token as they reach out into additional nations and firms. Dash current cost. Dash is presently worth $47.88 USD. Dash has moved 1.34% as of now with an exchanging volume of $62,482,235. Dash is presently positioned 70 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $526,534,900 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Dash to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant Dash market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Dash value expectation 2022. Dash, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Dash cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $71.82. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $67.04 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Dash is supposed to have a base worth of $57.46. Dash value forecast 2023. In 2023, Dash cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Dash will before long outperform $119.71. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Dash's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Dash will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $95.77 and a typical exchanging cost of $105.34. Dash value expectation 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $167.59 and Dash might benefit in the event that the market encounters a decay. The objective may not be met. Dash is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $153.23 and a low of $143.65 in 2024. Dash value forecast 2025. Assuming that Dash effectively supports market feeling among digital money fans, the Dash coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Dash will be green in 2025. The Dash is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $215.47, with a base cost of $191.53 and a typical cost of $201.11. Dash value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Dash cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $248.99 by 2026, with a base cost of $239.41 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Dash has a greatest value worth of $263.36. Dash value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $296.87. On the off chance that Dash figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $311.24. Neglecting to assemble the help Dash needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $287.30. Dash value expectation 2028. While Dash is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $335.18 and a yearly cost close above $359.12 in 2028. Dash value forecast 2029. By 2029, Dash will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $383.06 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $407, averaging out at $392.64. Dash value expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In net capacity, the most extreme Dash cost in 2030 is projected to be $469.25 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $450.10.